Okay, so now we are good to go with passing the transaction amount and the last transaction as default value from the function itself. Now what we can try is, instead of giving a fixed amount from our side, we can have a user interface or make a user interface in which user could enter the amount, so it will be more interactive. So what we will do is we'll make a new file, name it blockchain 3. Okay, again, instead of writing the whole code, we'll just go and grab it from here, copy and paste it over here. Okay, so we will be adding the user interaction from the command prompt. So here what will we do now? Okay, we'll add the transaction amount as a function. We will take it from here. Let's comment this everything. Okay, and we'll write that transaction amount is equals to, we'll get it inputted like float, then input command of Python, and then the message what we need to enter. Please enter the transaction amount here. Okay, and then we'll go and add value and we'll pass the transaction amount. Okay, transaction. Okay, so this will get the value from the user with the help of input tag, and then we'll typecast it to float and save it to transaction amount. Now we will be passing transaction amount same as we were doing with this right now. Okay, so we'll make another. We'll go with float. Yes, load input, enter the second transaction amount here. Now we will also go with add value transaction. Now we also need to get the last blockchain value, because this is not the first. For the first, we are getting the last blockchain transaction value as 1, but for the second, we will pass last. Okay, it was like get last blockchain value and then the function. Okay, so what we are doing is we are also giving transaction amount. If the transaction amount is 5, then we are replicating this with the help of user interface. Okay, now we'll copy this thing for the multiple times. Okay, so yes, this works. And then for the last thing, we'll go with what we had done last time, how we had done last time. So passing the last transaction, this. Okay, so what we will do is go like the transaction amount will go last transaction equals to get last transaction value of the blockchain, and then transaction amount equals to what user had entered. Okay. Now I guess we should run this code. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, for the 5 value, it take 1 as the last blockchain. For the 6, it take 1, 5 with the help of this function, get last blockchain value function, and then it continues. So This is how we can add usability to our code with making it user centric, or we can apply this approach. Okay, so what we will comment it here that okay, here we are trying to get the amount from the user itself and then appending that raw in the blockchain. Okay, you can do it with the float values for sure. Here we'll go and do it again. So this time I just want to, so 15.98 and 89.75. So look at this. For the first Genesis block, it took one and then it made the blockchain amount. This is all for today's session. So we will continue it on the further next session. Thank you.